Do you believe that hybrid AI is the future of artificial intelligence? To understand the concept better and arrive at a reasoned answer, let's delve into the complex world of hybrid AI and its practical implications with this video and accompanying PPT resource. Eager to understand how AI and human intelligence can work together? Download our Hybrid Artificial Intelligence PPT from the link. Even better, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. This PPT slide covers both symbolic AI, based on explicit rules and logic, and non-symbolic AI, based on learning from data, to generate superior insights and decision-making. The idea is to discuss, comprehensively, the pros and cons of hybrid AI and see if it gives us the best of both worlds or leads to complexities we are not ready for yet. These PowerPoint slides introduce artificial neural networks, ANN, the relevance they hold, and how these mimic the functioning of the human brain to solve complex problems. Then, the architecture of a neural network is also studied in detail. We understand how input layer, hidden layers, and output layer interact. We also take you through the foundational units of an ANN, the artificial neurons or nodes, highlighting their functionality and how these mimic biological neurons. Unleash the potential of AI with our Hybrid Artificial Intelligence PPT. Grab it from the link in the description now. This section covers the activation functions, explaining their role in determining the output of a neuron based on its input. It also analyzes different types of activation functions like the threshold function, sigmoid function, rectifier function, and hyperbolic tangent function, discussing their specific uses and characteristics to illustrate how an ANN operates, turning an input into meaningful output. These slides cover the gradient descent, an optimization algorithm often used to minimize errors in an ANN during training, and types of gradient descent methods, namely batch, stochastic, and mini-batch gradient descent, highlighting differences and applications. Ready to dive into the world of hybrid AI? Access our insightful Hybrid Artificial Intelligence PPT by clicking the link below. This section explores backpropagation, wherein we train neural networks by adjusting weights based on the error from the output. It delves into the types of backpropagation, including static backpropagation and recurrent backpropagation, discussing their nuances and applications. It also highlights the pros and cons of using the backpropagation method for training neural networks. The advantages of using artificial neural networks are highlighted, such as storing information on the complete network, the ability to work with limited knowledge, fault tolerance, distributed memory, parallel processing ability, and gradual corruption. Lastly, the limitations of ANNs are too covered, such as hardware dependence and difficulty showing the problem to the network. Thanks for being with us. But that's not all, folks. Visit SlideTeam to find many more such PPT decks.